Hi guys! Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. We should chill here in this bathtub for fun. Ooh! Yes, 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 yes. Oh, so that. Tama, that's how it works, guys. Guys, hindi naman confiscated yung phone ko. Ligo ba? Thanks! Eto na, maligo na ako. Joke lang! Oh my god! Beach or mountain? Beach. Yeah. Beach. Where are you, Joe? Secret! Okay, okay, okay. Yon. Self-love. Jao blink twice if natuloy yung outing namin. Okay. Yan, ituloy nyo na yan. Blonde or pink hair? Pink hair. Maubos na date ako. Oh, okay. So this top, nabili ko sa artwork. Yeah, sa artwork. Sa Glorieta. Oops. Nag-zipper lang ako. Napa-open pala zipper ko. Anyways, labas tayo. Nag-chill lang ako dito sa CR. For fun. Act like you hurt me. Only step it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me. What's your style? Pushing up my butt with no hesitation. Gassing you to bring motivation. Chibidi-bidi, chibidi-bidi. Let's go live while we wait. While we wait for Mo. Sinong kasama mo? Ako lang mag-isa. Yes, ako lang mag-isa. Excuse me. Oh. Piercing or tattoo? Both. Yan. Did you get the gifts from the office? Ayun nga. Hindi ko pa sila nakukuha. So sorry, pero kukunin ko sila. Siguro bukas. Since magte-training naman kami bukas. Makukuha ko na sila. Don't move. No, we're gonna move. We're gonna keep moving. Bacolod. Gusto nga namin pumunta sa Bacolod. We would love to go to Bacolod. Gusto niyo pang gumalaw? Okay. Wow! 1, 2, 3, go! Ang galing, di ba? Nahihilo na. Oh! Okay, mahilo pa kayo more. Yan. Nahihilo na ba kayo? Dapat mahilo kayo. Ready? Last one. O, diba? Ang saya. I wanna do a backflip. O, sige. 1, 2, 3, go. Boogs. Backflip. 1, 2, 3, go. Joke lang. Anong feeling na mag-grounded? Hindi naman talaga ako nag-grounded. Copy pasta lang yun. Nakita ko lang, dumaan lang sa sa Twitter ko, tapos kinopy ko, tapos paste. Para may engagement. Para magulat kayo. Ano nangyayari kay Joe? Ganon. Totoo ba to? Pero hindi naman talaga totoo kasi mostly everything in Twitter is not true. Huwag kayong maniwala sa akin. Pero totoo yung mga pinopost kong links sa Spotify, ganun. Yun yung mga paniwalaan nyo. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo yung mga yan. Kapampangan challenge maring dyan. O sige, magkapampangan tamo. Ba't di na blue hair mo? Pinagsisihan ko. Na-realize ko na, pink is for me. Pink is for me. Kaya ayun. Jao, can you do the tongue smile? Paano yun? Can you do this tongue? Huh? Ganon? Man. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the ice cream. Thank you for the ice cream. Cover your teeth with your tongue and smile. Cover your teeth with your... Ganon? Damn. Wow, thank you for the gifts. Okay, let's lie down in this counter. Above this counter. Yeah. Pushing up my button for no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. Jao, did you see my rah-rah thread for you, for your... Hindi ko pa nakita. Nasa Twitter ba? Am I tagged? I'm gonna check it out later. What's your skincare? Japanese skincare. Yun yung gamit ko ngayon, Japanese skincare products. Thank you. Sige, sige. Titignan ko yung pinost mo para hindi ako mabanana. Last time kasi nung nag-live ako, muntik na ako maban. Kasi palagi ako nare-restrict Nag-unboxing lang naman ako ng Pop Mots. Hindi ko pa na-open yung concert gifts. Bukas ko i-open. Kasi after ng concert, the next day may ganap. Tapos after that, may ganap na naman. Tapos after that, I don't know anymore. Pero may rest na kami ngayon. So, woo! Finally! Deserve ko mag-party after everything. Wow, party. Deserve mo magdagat. Thanks! Kanta nga tayo. For fun. Okay. So, come on. Title. Ay. Boosh. Push to start.
Changes in the sun around her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Everything she never had, she's showing off. Driving too fast, moon is breaking through her head. She's running on something that she won't forget. Had no regrets, it's all that she really wants. We only getting older, baby. I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you never dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of, even when the night changes. It'll never change me and you. Chasing it tonight, doves are running around her head. He's waiting, hides behind a cigarette. Heart is beating alive and she doesn't want it to stop. Yeah. Moving too fast, moon is lighting up her skin. She's falling, doesn't even know it yet. Having no regrets, it's all that she really wants. We only getting older, baby. I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of, even when the night changes. It'll never change me and you. Going out tonight, changes and it's on the rain. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Reminds her of a missing piece of innocence she lost. We only getting older, baby. I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you'd ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it'll never change, baby. It'll never change, baby. It'll never change. Me and you, bitch. Thank you so much.
Oo, nasa lyrics yun. Bago yun, guys. Ano kaya next song? Di ako makasearch. Oh my gosh, walang Water by Tyla. Okay, search natin alamat. Woo! Yuck! Oops. Boom. Wala din Marilag. Mukhang ancient yung mga songs dito. So, let's see what they have. We're so excited for Champorado. Thanks! Hello, Angelo Nakpil. Alam ko kung nasan ka. So what? Live unboxing. Bukas na lang yun. Bukas na lang yun. Live ka ulit bukas. Yes. Every night na ako magla-live. Joke lang. Don't expect, but I will do my best. Kinidnap mo si Evelyn. Huh? Hello, sound check. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. I have to go soon. My exam. Oh, bye-bye. Hala! What was that about? Anong title nung ano? Ano kasi yung title nung ano? Yung You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. Best part. Okay, best part pala yung title nun. Best. Books. Okay, let's try this. Yeah! Uh-huh.
You don't know, baby, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, sweetest. And it don't change if I have no pain. You know that you are. You're the coffee that I drink in the morning. You're the sunshine in my bed when it's pouring. Oh, you give me something to give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, follow, no matter how far. If life was a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. Oh, best part. It's a sunrise, and those brown eyes, yes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up, and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. No one stuck in the desert. You're the talent I take with my hands. You're the sunshine. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow, no matter how far. If life was a movie, oh, you're the best part. Whoa, whoa, the best part. Whoa, whoa, best part. Say something. If you love me, won't you? Won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you?
Okay. Wala pang sayo pa rin uuwi dito. Ang lamig! Ang lamig pala dito. Kainis. Pick up line kasi yung kanina. Na so what? Aww! Ah! Okay, ulitin natin. Alam ko kung nasan ka. Alam ko kung nasan ka. Who? Tama ba? Happy birthday, Art! Happy birthday!
Bell day, happy bell day.
Art. Nasa puso ko yun. Aww! So sweet. Ako din, low bat na ako. Jow, pahingi ng... okay. Good luck. Oh? Oh? Boom. Damn. Anong childbirth? Because I'm pregnant, kaya childbirth. Womenjing, ano yun? Ang hirap, mahirap i-press yung remote. Yes, I'm pregnant, guys. Thank you so much.
You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up. Maybe I've been moving on, and I think you should do something. I don't wanna hold back. Mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going up. And I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. When you told me that you hated my friends, the only problem was when you were not there. And every time you told me my opinion was wrong, you tried to make me forget. Oh! Cause I didn't want anyone. Cause I didn't want anyone.